Hi, welcome to Creating Your Graphic Memoir, my online course that is the companion to my book, The Art of the Graphic Memoir. In this course, we'll look at 20 some different graphic memoirs and how they work, how they organize their material, what kind of style they use, what kinds of visual metaphors they find, and how they use those to make their story deeper. In a lot of ways, I feel like creating a graphic memoir is a lesson in how to change your life, and I hope this course will give you that. This course also goes behind the scenes and shows you a lot of my own notes, and I'll talk about the process, but importantly, the process, the parts where I didn't know what to do, the parts where I had to sort of figure out what the next step was. There's a lot of confusion and indecision and not knowing in something like a graphic memoir. The act of creating a graphic memoir is an act of stitching all those parts of yourself together. The act of creating a graphic memoir is often an act of healing or integration, and then presenting this new self to the world. It's my hope that this course can do that for you.